Hi there! Thanks for checking out this Vive education video. In this video, we're going to show you how to create your avatar for VIVERSE using our web tools. In Vive Avatar, there's plenty of options to create an avatar to represent the virtual you. Let's get started.
In your computer's web browser, go to the VIVERSE website and click Avatar. Then click Sign in the upper right corner. Click Create Yours. Use the arrows on the right and left to see the different types of avatars you can create. If you have a VRM avatar you want to use instead, click Import to bring it into VIVERSE. If you'd like, you can also create a half-body avatar. Remember, half-body avatars can only be used in worlds in VIVERSE. To create a more realistic avatar that's closer to how you look in the real world, use the VIVE Avatar Creator mobile app. Watch our other video to learn how to use the app to create your avatar. In this video, we'll show you how to create a custom character avatar using the VIVE Avatar web tools. Click Create. Choose from the tons of available options to personalize the look of your avatar. Click and drag to rotate your avatar so you can see how it looks from different angles. Rotate the scroll wheel to zoom in and out so you can get a closer look at your avatar. When you're satisfied with the look of your avatar, click Save. Do a final check of your avatar. If you want to change something, use the arrow to go back. If you don't need to make any changes, click Next. And there you go. Now you have a custom character avatar you can use in VIVERSE. Select it from your inventory of avatars and start exploring worlds in VIVERSE.
Hi again. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. If you're interested in learning more about VIVERSE or other Vive products, make sure to check out the other videos in this channel. I'll see you next time.